Here are 2 exercises anyone starting out learning blues piano should know. When people first start learning blues, they are often taught a 12-bar blues pattern in the left hand, and then given the blues scale in the right hand. Then suddenly told to go forth and improvise. Many people then struggle because they haven't been given a way to integrate the right hand scale along with the left hand progression. These 2 exercises I'm about to show you will give you the essential skills, rhythms and coordination you'll need to start improvising with the blues scale comfortably over the top of a 12-bar blues pattern. Let's begin. So we're going to be working in the key of C. And for this first exercise, we're going to take 2 octaves of the minor blues scale in the right hand and apply a triplet 8th rhythm, starting from middle C. Triplet, 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 triplet. Practice that in your right hand until you've got full control over it. Then in the left hand, you're going to play a basic boogie pattern to a classic 12-bar blues progression, which is like this, just alternating between a 5th and a 6th, like that. So now I'm just going to play you the full 12-bar blues progression I want you to practice in the left hand. And I'm going to play it nice and quickly. Once you've practiced that, you can then put them together. The 2 octaves of the minor blues scale with the triplet 8th rhythms you practiced, from bottom to top, last for 1 bar, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, coming back down is another 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All you need to do is repeat this scale pattern over the top of the left hand 12-bar progression. So now I'm going to play you the full exercise with both hands up to speed along with a backing track. It sounds great, doesn't it? And you can repeat that round as many times as you want. Here is the other exercise that all beginner blues players should know. So we're going to apply a swung 8th rhythm to the same scale, which goes like this. And it's important to recognise that you don't play on the first beat of the bar in your right hand. You come in on the and after the 1, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice as well that for this right hand rhythm, unlike the triplet rhythms where you went straight up and down without any repeats, with this one, apart from right at the start, here you are repeating the C's in the middle and the top. Like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Repeat. 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 Okay? And 1 octave of the scale with this swung rhythm lasts for 1 bar. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means a full sequence going up and down the 2 octaves lasts for 4 bars. That whole sequence then repeats itself 3 times over the 12-bar blues progression. And again, I'll just play you the first few bars nice and slowly so you can see how the coordination works. Then I'll play you the full 12 bars up to speed so you can see how it all fits together. So because your right hand's following on the and, your left hand begins on its own. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 then you'd move up to the F. And now I'll show you the full exercise up to speed along with the backing track. If you practice those exercises until you can play them comfortably and at speed, you'll find improvising much, much easier because you'll have got used to playing the scales over the top of the left hand and you'll have ingrained those essential rhythms that you need to play blues piano. And really, all you need to do to start improvising from this point is play around with the order of the notes of the scale and switch back and forth between those two rhythms. For example, oh, and by the way, if you wanted to download the sheet music and the backing tracks for these exercises, you can do that over on my website, and they're completely free. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you could give the video a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you really liked it, please check out my in-depth blues piano courses on my website. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.